God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone.
My vans are super dirty. But I'm not gonna wash them though, because they're the dirty vans for a reason.
Mambo Tongwezuri, I hope you're all well. Gina Langonelejoa and welcome to Lucky Productions. Hi, it's the first time I see you guys. My hair's a bit messy, but I don't care. And the lighting's a bit bad, I also don't care. I'm just here to say hi because I haven't said anything in this vlog thus far. And then also, guys, I'm gonna go get a package. Right? I'm just finishing eating right now. I'm eating like a ramen soup. So I'm finishing to eat and then I'm gonna go to the gate to fetch it. So I just wanted to say that. And then, how are you guys? How was trials? Should I ask? Should I not ask? Yeah.
Tavela. Lagay. Thank you. Kalabo.
I put you guys against the TV.
Yeah. So you just make yourself comfortable. And I'm not just going to set the whole thing, all right?
Woo, ciao.
No, it's not like this one, right?
Woo, Mara. Thank you to Aunt that bought me this. She knows herself. Shout out to you. My camera is falling. I put you guys against the TV if I didn't say that. I'm gonna blur the shoes out. You're gonna see them in the empty. Guys, get look fun. Yeah, good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, the 20th. It's about 1:58-ish a.m. I woke up not so long ago. And like, I'm not a person that wakes up and revises. Like, no. That's why I wake up like 45 minutes earlier than I plan on beginning to revise, so that I can like do something, so that I can first of all wake up and then make sure my brain is working and stuff like that. So like right now I'm having a snack, strawberry yogurt, because why not? So good. Excuse for the lighting. The lighting in my room really sucks. So like, until we can get that fixed, you're just gonna have to deal with this. So I just wanted to update you guys. Maybe I'll start revising around like 2:30, 2:45, mara 3 latest, so that I can sleep for like some few nyana time, and then wake up, get dressed, all that jazz, and then go to school early, because now they give you demerits if you arrive after 7:20. Like, that makes no sense to me. If you're writing at 9, they said you should be seated at 8:15. Nothing about all that other things. Like, that bored me so much. But it's my last paper, so I'll be a good sport. Anyway, let me go do something else. I want to go with my headphones, but then I don't trust people who go school long. But how do you do it? Hi, let me just carry my tote bag. I'm gonna fill it with water because I'm gonna be out for most of the day. That's why I'm even wearing a pullover under this, because this I'm wearing it just in case it takes time to get warm enough to sit in a pullover. And the pullover, because we're gonna be 31 degrees today, I'm wearing the pullover so that I can take this off and then put it in my tote bag. Yeah. And I wanna come with my slides, but then this tote bag is not big enough. So like, I don't know what to do. Because like, these shoes are uncomfortable and I'm going to be walking for most of the day. So I'm just going to take the slides. Yeah. I'm not going to risk it. Let me order my Uber and then I'll be out, because apparently my tricks have to be in school at the same time as... Like, that daba bothers me so much. And my eyes, they look how I feel. Koro tonight, ne? Koroba. And then there's also the Clear Soul album. Like, this week, I'm gonna sleep in the AMs because I don't wanna wake up early. Because if I sleep at like 9, 10, 11, I'm gonna wake up at like 7, 6. And I don't want that. So I'm gonna sleep at like 1, 2, so that at least I can like wake up at 8, 9, you know? Because the days are long. So at least if you wake up later in the morning, you can do a Bible study, and then by the time you get out of bed, it's already 11. And then you make breakfast, and then it's 1. So like, yeah, this thing of waking up early, this week I'm not going to be doing it. So, yeah. Let me fill up my water bottle with water, and then, yeah, these are the slides that I'm taking. These are the slides that I'm taking because ain't no way I am going to walk around in my school shoes, because these things are so painful. Like, for walking around in school is fine, but like, I'm going to the mall with my mom and the material place. So now because already they're paining me now. So yeah, and I'm just standing, so I don't want to risk it. But guys, I'm so happy. Like finally muthuwa fetsa. Sure. Wow. I'm still waiting. Personally, ne, kuru no bana ka moriri wa ka, how the paper went. Sure. I think I just have to raise my hands and go. Anyone who wants to take dance studies for specifically grade 12, at least grade 11, okay, enjoy. Grade 12, uchabe. Aga, sky G, high sharp, very nice. It's. Okay, guys, so we have a package. As you can see, I'm not gonna show you those details, but it's from Cotton On. It's from Cotton On. If you know me, you know that I love bottles. So there was this. I checked on Typo because originally I wanted the one straight from Cotton On, but then when I got there eventually to like buy it, it wasn't there. I was like, oh. Then I went to check it on Typo. I found yes, girl. Ha! I love it. So at the back it has this, just the Typo logo, and then in the front it has caution juice contents inside. Yeah, that's the only thing that it comes with, and then it comes with this thing that seals it so that the germs don't get on. So yeah, I don't know how big it is. I think it's 750 mils, 500 mils, I don't know. Let me check if they wrote something here. No. You hand washing. You. Okay. No dishwasher, I guess. But that's fine. It's stainless steel, so like it's not bad. Yeah, and then it's just the plastic that it comes in, and then these things. So like yeah, it's the lid, it's the detachable lid, straw, and then the cup itself. It is double walled, so you can put hot or cold contents in it, and it's spill proof. That's why it's so difficult to close. But then yeah, I'm gonna wash it, and then but like I love it so much because yeah, so excited. Now I can make iced coffee and stuff. Okay, child, I'll close this later. But now I can make iced coffee and stuff. Yeah. And like today, like right now I'm just watching Miss Education. So I don't think I'm going to be doing anything else. So I think I'm going to close up the vlog here because, you know, trials are over. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I post. God loves you. I love you. Stay blessed. And I will see you in the next one.